Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we are back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the new goodies. Yes, y'all, we are in 2024. Happy New Year. I've mentioned it before on my channel, but we already know what time it is in terms of organization, cleaning. Let's getting it together. So I picked up another pack of my go-to scrub buddies. Nail guard sponges, 6 packages per package. Can't recommend these enough. Really come in handy. Also, if you're going to do anything in terms of fixing around the house or if you're going to paint or whatnot, this is Nitrel exam gloves. I mean, it's medical quality first, fits most, latex and powder free. I do like these. I think I may have picked up a package in the summer and I do recommend them. They are snug, but I do like them. So it's a 10 count. I believe it says 10 count. So I picked up another package. I did enjoy the Gunk Getter. It is compatible to a number of other leading products. It's a cleaning gel, but for some reason it's in the kitty section. I guess because, it can encourage your kids to clean. So I think that's why they have it there. So if you see it, snag it. Also, yes, back is my heavy foam shower cleaner. Quick and easy cleanup bathtubs and showers. Wide array spray. I'm telling you, these go quickly by me. So when you see them, please snag it. This was literally the last one that I found at my local branch. I love the smell of pine salt. Oh, hold on a second. I didn't say 12 ounces. This is 12-ounce can. And I love the smell of pine. Pine Sol multi-surface cleaner kills COVID-19 virus, kills 99.9% of germs. And this is a 9.5 fluid ounce. I know it sounds small, but it really, all you need is a little and you can get the job done. Also, picked up another spa soap, creamy milk and honey, moisturizing hand soap, 32 fluid ounces. It's always good to keep another bottle to refill. Also, I haven't seen this, and this has been really recommended on YouTube, either through other influencers or other YouTube enthusiasts like me. I believe it's comparable to, I believe it's called Pink Stuff or something like that, and it's a really great cleaning agent, but this is kind of like the dupe of it. So these have gone quickly too. So the fact that I found any of these items and they were the last tells you it goes quickly. It's the multi-purpose cleaning paste. Multi-surface, it can clean kitchens, bathrooms, laundry room, indoors, outdoors, and it is 7 ounces. No more tough stains. So aside from the very pretty pink package, I'm going to give this a try, but I have heard really great things about this product. So if you see it, guys, snag it. Also, I did pick up another package of Strong and Soft 2-ply, 4 rolls for bathroom use. All of this is in the cleaning section. And my only fun object, because I've picked up most of their Valentine's stuff and they're kind of running low. I thought I'd come across their Valentine's tree, but I think they went too quickly. Nonetheless, they have these cute little kit and caboodle cases. I have a number of them just to keep makeup storage, brushes, whatnot, even cleaning utensils. I just do love how clear it is and this glittery effect, very girly. Obviously, it can also be helpful for kids if you want to have a really cute, handy case for school supplies, but I see like me putting probably some of my nails, my press-on nails and whatnot in compacts, and has this cute handle, and it comes in purple, I believe green and blue. I picked up in pink. I love my pink. All right, y'all, that is a quick Dollar Tree haul. If you like anything here, leave me a comment down below. I still have my GoFundMe campaign, and I will link that in the description box. And if you have a little bit of time and some time to donate, it would really help the cause and help my channel out. Also, I will be back hopefully with some reviews. I'm looking forward to doing that. So stay tuned for my next haul, my next review, unboxing, my next video in general. And if you like what you see, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next video. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.